Hello everyone. Today times are changing and so we also have to change. So change is the main mantra of the society today. Change is our requirement. There is always a gap between the generation which has gone and the generation which is going to come. Like here you have got people of all age group and all strata. There are people who are elder, there are youngsters. So there is a difference in the thought process, and also the technology is changing at a very fast rate, so we need to adapt ourselves. The older lot needs to adapt to the younger lot, and also the younger lot has to adapt to the older lot. And also with the fast changing era and the technology, the thought processes also have to change, and the change in you is called adaptability. So today we will talk about adaptability and flexibility because both are interlinked. And from that comes your resilience. Resilience is basically what you have within you, the tenacity. So I will request whatever thought processes are going on regarding the topic of adaptability, you can ask and I will try to sort out your queries.
So today's environment and technology is changing very fast. If we do not keep updated, we will lag behind. So we can say that to be successful, we need to adapt to changing times. How?
Hiram, you mentioned about environment and technology. Environment and technology both are related because as technology is changing and getting updated, the environment around us also changes. Now, as the environment is changing every day, the mankind has also different situations. Like when we have to change or work or make a lifestyle or work style according to the situation is called adaptability. That is when you are adapting to a certain situation. So adaptability is basically when you change yourself according to the changing environment or the changing situation. With the changing times, like I mentioned, technology also changes. So if technology is changing, you have to stay updated. And for staying updated, you have to read. You have to understand everything. And if you read, travel, learn, you are upgrading yourself, reaching the next level, and you are in sync with the times coming. The generations, like I mentioned, are getting into a synchronous effect with each other. When you are changing with the situations, you are moving with the times. So if you are moving with the times, you are sure to be successful. So basically to be successful, you have to change with the changing times. You have to adapt yourself, adapt physically and mentally. Younger generations, like I mentioned, have to sync themselves with the newer generation. The newer generation also has to listen to the experience of the older generation because you just can't say that the older generation is outdated or I in the younger generation is up to date. No, it is a synchronous balance of technology, learning, and experience. The older generation has experience. You may be knowing the latest technology. So when both of them meet each other, that is when the team succeeds. So as a leader also, you have to adapt yourself with everybody of the team members and also the situation. That is what will make you succeed and make you a successful leader and also a team man. Is it understood?
Sir, I have a question. Adaptability is constant or according to a situation. It's also said that it gets ingrained. So, how can we adapt?
Srijani, very good question. Adaptability is basically depending on the situation. Every situation will need you to adapt yourself as per the requirement. Like you have to assess the situation correctly, analyze it correctly, and then adapt. The situation should not adapt to you. You have to adapt yourself according to the situation. So, adaptability is constant. The situation changes. So, if you have knowledge, you have gone into flexibility, or you are flexible enough, your mind, your thoughts are learned at a higher plane, and you are well traveled, you've seen the world, you are not a frog in the well. You can adapt yourself with your flexible mind change. Let adaptability be constant and flexible. The situation will change and you are sensitive to the situation. Analyze it properly, innovate, think out of the box, think differently, think like a leader. Because if you think differently, you are the leader of the pack. And if you are the leader of the pack, that means you can adapt yourself well. You can adapt to all the teammates. Let him be weak or let him be strong. You will be a successful leader. You will be successful, like somebody asked me, that is success related to adaptability? Yes. If you can adapt to every situation, you are a better known man, a better successful man, a leader par excellence. So, every situation will require a different change. Like, you know that if you go into a jungle, the tiger is going to bite you or may kill you. Will you go into a jungle where there are tigers without any guard? No. It is already there in your mind. A child, once it has touched a pressure cooker, hot pressure cooker, the child will never go because it is ingrained in his mind. He has adapted himself or herself that he has to stay away. That is called genetic adaptation. So, adaptabilities can be according to the requirement and change will make you successful, and as we all know also that change for the better. If you think and innovate, that change will get a better nation. The nation will move towards progress, and that is where it is called a progressive person or a progressive nation. So, adapt to a situation, adapt for the betterment, and you will rise up to every occasion and situation.
Thank you, sir.
So, some people says that to adapt to the environment, we need to be flexible. So, what is the difference between adaptability and flexibility?
Your question is basically very genuine. People get mixed between adaptability and flexibility. They seemingly seem to be two same things, but are totally different. Yes, flexibility is basically a requirement for you to be adaptable. If you can adapt to a certain situation, you have to be flexible. Your mindset has to be flexible, not rigid. Because even to grow, you need to have a flexible mindset. Like we keep mentioning in our snippets and lectures, you have to be rigid for rules and policies which are in place. But then the rigidity should not be so much that they affect your growth, your success. You have to continuously change according to the situations. The requirement is basically that you are learning and changing as per the time, as per the technology. Then adapt the or gain the experience of the older generation or get the experience from around you. It is better to learn from others' mistakes than committing your mistakes and learning. So, if you travel more, read more, you are more professional. Now, when adaptability finishes, flexibility starts. Basically, adaptability is the outcome of flexibility. So, if your mindset, like I mentioned, is flexible, you can adapt very well to the situations. But if you become rigid, you will not be able to upgrade yourselves. You will be in that old time eras. You will be called conventional. Being called conventional is not exactly bad, but then just being conventional and orthodox doesn't solve the purpose. You have to move along with the flow of the river. So, if you are flexible, like the river always takes the easiest path. Maybe you don't have to take the easiest path, but take the path which is there for everybody, which is being taken by the society. Yes, it is good to be a rebel at some times where it is required, but just to be a revolutionary every time doesn't meet this solution. So, basically, adaptability and flexibility are two different things meshed into each other. And like I mentioned, adaptability is the outcome of flexibility, and where adaptability finishes, flexibility starts. So that is basically the difference. They are differently synchronized and differently meshed with each other. I hope you understood the concept.
Thank you, sir.
So, to adapt to a situation or the environment, we need to be tenacious and have resilience. So, what is the relation between resilience and adaptability?
This is a question at a different level. Now, to adapt to every situation, you have to be tenacious. And to be tenacious, you have to be resilient. Now, what is resilience? Resilience is basically the inner fiber, the strong fiber of yourself, of your ethics, of your learnings which a person has. If you are tenacious enough, you can be resilient. And to be resilient, you have to be learned, you have to be professionally sound, you have to know the world better, and above all, you should have the habit of adapting yourself with the environment, with the changing times. And with the changing times, only you can adapt if you are well read. Like the life is not a straight line, it has curves, it moves up and down. You may go into depression, but you have to bounce back. If you are resilient, you can bounce back and get on to the track of success or the path that we are following. If you are honest, if your integrity is high, your character fiber is good, you will be resilient. If you are resilient, you have to be also mentally strong, because, like I say, everything is in the mind. Age is just a figure. So you cannot say that I have grown old. Yes, physically you may diminish or your strengths may go down, but then if you are mentally strong, if you are well learned, if you know things better, you can change yourself, be flexible and adjust yourself to the times, and you can bounce back from the downs or the troughs of the curves of life. And when you can bounce back, you can just bash on regardless. I'll give you an example of the institution of the film world, Amitabh Bachchan. There was a period when he was at the top of success, and then again there was a time when his personal life was in shelter or in shatters. He was about to be bankrupt, all his companies were off. But this man, he is a fighter. He fought back, and with Kaun Bane Crorepati, he's again become a top man, and today again his movies are running. Because he was mentally strong, he was resilient enough, and he was tenacious. That is why he could bounce back and look, he is aging so gracefully. There are other stars who have just faded away, and he's still there in front of us. He's 70 plus. We must all appreciate the way he's aged. So that is what is resilience and tenacity. So to be adaptable, you have to be resilient. And to be resilient, you have to be mentally strong. So the mantra is basically mental strength. You should not self-sympathize yourself and cry. You have to fight back to be a fighter and leader of the pack.
Thank you, sir.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, today we spoke about adaptability and related flexibility, and also how and why we should be tenacious and resilient. We at Fearless Leaders speak on many such issues, and we can guide you on these life skill mantras. So please follow us on our various social media sites and also subscribe to our channel, and we, if contacted, can curate modules as per your requirements globally and be at your service. Thank you.